Hey, Marcus here at MachMotion. So today I'm going to show you MachMotion's one-touch spindle warm-up. You come in the morning, doesn't matter if it's wintertime, summertime, you still have to warm up your spindle. Instead of going through and doing it manually, just step by step and standing here for 10-15 minutes or more, with our system you can just hit this one button and it'll start up. There you have it, all finished. I was able to go grab a cup of coffee. From this point, you can go ahead and put your material down and load in a G-code file and start cutting. Or if you wanted to load in your material before and set your G-code, it would automatically prompt the spindle warm up. And then right after it's done, it would go ahead and start cutting. If you like what you saw, please like, share, comment. And if you have a machine that you want to upgrade, please get in contact us. We'd love to talk to you.